So first of all, thank you at Team AdsLive for joining us here today. It means a lot for us because this is not just for testimonial, this is also our feedback process, because only through feedback we can improve ourselves. So first of all, I would like to ask you what AdsLive does and how does Trackier help them?
Actually, AdsLive started in 2019, and our experience with a Trackier in my past. So when I start a company, then our first choice for me is go for Trackier, because I'm very useful Trackier platform in my past. So I use the platform where I can check the things easily, and a dominant person can listen me very carefully that they want a platform like this, and the Trackier is only a platform who can provide the thing which the user wants, right? So Trackier is the best platform I ever.
Okay, so before Trackier, have you been using any other platform?
No. Wow, as I told you that as a starting of the AdsLive, we are stick on Trackier, and it hopes, well, till in the industry we are continue going with the Trackier. There is no any platform we want to shift it on, but we are happy with the Trackier, and my experience was so good. Right?
So how did you come across Trackier?
Actually, the thing is, while I'm in my first company, so I helped Trackier, because on that time Trackier was on initial phase. So I help them to implement the things which we want, so they can implement the thing, and after that they are enter the market and having a good image with the platform, because they have each and everything, because we are help them to create a platform where user can easily find the things where they can stuck, right? If I'm stuck something, then Trackier support is a very good. It can help us minute. And Trackier, if I'm talking about the Trackier, I'm known by Trackier is a new name, but I know where the Vinid.
Yeah.
So I'm with them from the Vinid, and now it's a Trackier, and it's good.
So now I would like to ask Amit, since you told me that he is the one using the platform the most.
Yes.
So can you tell me the top 3 features that you are of Trackier that you are using on the daily basis?
See, basically, we use it's a user-friendly platform. So it is basic features are we are checking the campaigns on a daily basis, like the inventory on the Trackier platform, and all the sales growth and all everything is present there on the metrics. So it's very user-friendly. First of all, I would like to thank the Trackier team. Reason being, nobody can provide such a user-friendly interface.
Okay.
And we are not really facing any kind of problem with that. And customer support is so nice that, within seconds we get a response from the team.
So do you, on this note, I would like to ask, do you have something to say to your CSM, that is Ayush?
I'll just say thank you. Thank you very much for making this platform so user-friendly that you can, actually it's very easy to use.
So in terms of business, since you onboarded Trackier, have you seen some positive changes in your business?
Yeah, with timely there are changes. That is why, it has been something like we never try to switch on to some other things. We try and, every now and then new platforms are coming.
Yeah.
But we never try to switch on to different things. Reason being, whenever something is implemented, it is Trackier implements it early as possible. So we get it on a very well note.
So have you ever faced any challenge while using Trackier? And if yes, how is the tech support of the company?
See, sometimes it is sometimes it happens. Earlier we used to have some problems with the customer support. It was some time taking. But as we proceeded in the path, it is something now the customer support is something, it's on a minute basis. You just contact them and they'll be reaching you as soon as possible.
So the last question is, if you have to rate Trackier on the scale of 0 to 10, what would you rate Trackier?
I would definitely say 10. I won't even say 9, because I am satisfied with it. Every aspect Trackier is on the platform.
So any feedback, where we can improve?
I don't have any.
Oh, that.
If I would have, I would have suggested him directly. This has been, I'm thanking directly to the team.
Yeah. Thank you, Amit, for joining us. It really means a lot because the feedback is
very
what
much.
helps us evolve so much. Thank you.